best sketch artist in the world. Others were painting. Instead, she's drawing a flipbook. DP Art Drawing, the nickname mobile printer. She spent 481 hours, using 833 sheets of paper to draw the Lisa flipbook. The effect is really amazing. This is just her initial test. She went on to spend another 737 hours. 1,434 sheets were used. Draw the scene of the final confrontation between Iron Man and Thanos in the Avengers. This time, the effect is too shocking. If you are not satisfied with the above, then her next action will definitely leave you dumbfounded. To challenge yourself, she can draw with a pencil tip held by chopsticks. She can also draw on already finished paper after overwriting and revising multiple times to paint another painting. It was later upgraded. This time she used compass to draw many